That looks cool though. I'm gonna do key at first. I'm gonna do one more coat. I can leave it there. Tinted brush. I am going to get some of my yellow painting. Really awesome pigment. You just need just a little bit. That's it. A bit more. And get me brown. Oh, orange and black. It's a little bit orange and black. If you want to be is like more solid, do the second coat. Wipe my brush off. Sorry. You can do second coat to make it more like define more dimensions. Great. And flash gear. If you want to make it look natural like this, you can leave it alone. But if you really want to like really define the nails, we can define the nails though. Sandy, when I use that brush, it came so bad. Did you using the same brush that I using? Since they're so thin that they're not gonna make a crazy mess, and it's not like really thick. So when you're doing it using a flat, give it this 1 stroke, 2 stroke, you know, like 1 stroke, because they are so flat and flexible. So when you draw the picture, it will give you a really good look of that. So if you have this, the same, the brush number 2 I'm using, you can achieve exactly the same look I have. I freaking love this because it gives me so much easier when I'm painting a nails flowers now. So I am going to using my twin tip brush, and I'm gonna using the same colors. And now I can detail a little bit more if I need to. If you want to really detail it, you can. Like give a little bit of like more define look. But sometimes I like it natural like that. It looks more like a natural looking. But if you want to really like more detail with this, then you can do that as well. And I'm not afraid of to try something absolutely new, because and don't let yourself go overwhelming with a lot of like a pro nail tech, or like an artist doing a nails is different from, you know, us as a nail technician. We're all artistic in our way, but sometimes to be like find your own way, your niche, that you see you're really different, so then you can utilize that. Hold on, this needs a little bit more. Also need a little bit more. No. This is freaking stunning. Like, it's I'm staying out of the comfort zones that I never in my life I get able to share with you the flower. Guys, flowers. It's all the artists can think that, oh my God, we are nail artists. We can't do a proper flowers. Yeah, we can do some basic flowers. Sometimes I just teasing with clients that if it doesn't look like a flower to you, just use your imagination. And they laugh so hard and they still let me do it. Just kidding. And hey, if you get really tired of this, if you don't give up, you'll get the really cool looks. But if you give up, don't give up. Give them chance for foil. They still like it. Like, give it some little hints. Look. Haha. Everyone, do not afraid of to playing it like me. What get you get if you are, it doesn't turn out the way, what the heck? It's just the nails, you know? It's not a tattooed. Tattooed, you can't get it off. But nails, the clients don't like it. You can always take it off and do it over. Okay, I'll flash key it for 30 seconds and I'm gonna show you some cool that I'm gonna do some highlights with this. Did you find my black colors?
What color? Black?
Gel painting. Can I get the gel painting? But oh, I'm just moved upside down. It's so and have a little bit the orange. What's the name of the orange? Sweet orange. Okay, and I using yellow sun and jet black. Just jet black, just a little bit. I'm gonna show you the just enough, not too much. Mix it with my orange. That's it. Oh, here, right there. 30 seconds done. Close this one. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. Just a touch with my top, no white top coat, or you can do a base as well. Hey, thank you so much, Tammy. So I am gonna mix this really nice, the color together already. Maybe we'll do some, and then we're gonna do some dive on this. Yes, I'm doing it for all of you. It's kind of a slow motion. just a little bit hint of highlights on the yellows. Few strokes using twin tip brush. Up that way. If you are local in Pensacola, Florida, you can find this at our local distributors, nail company. Or if you're out of town, not in the local, you can always check it out on our official website, Glitz Accessory and such. There's so many different floral brush compact for you to check them out. Hold on, let me move it closer. This look blurry on the Instagram. Good, maybe my internet. So I got a little orange and black mixed together right now. Switch orange and jet black. Yellow. I'm gonna get a little bit yellows on it. All right, just a little bit. Great. Key it for 60 seconds. Sandy, not necessary. You don't have to get a really expensive brush to learn, but sometimes it's an expensive brush you have a higher quality, so it's even it makes your work so much easier. But if you want to practice with that, usually the good quality, I would say a good quality, the brush will give you a really good result. I'm using my no wipe top coat on the side, so I'm going to show you how I clean my brush. Just swirl my brush. That's how you take care of it. This is a video for all of you who are asking. You can start seeing it. My brush is just start dissolving it all of the extra pink and all the paints here. So I'm going to wipe it off. Really nicely. Same thing with this brush. Then that nails are be ready to be top.